Hey guys, welcome to the Do It Guy. Today I will convert an electric cable hoist into a garage door opener. Now, a regular garage door opener wouldn't work for me because I don't have a regular garage door. It used to be a regular garage door, but I had to switch around the tracks a little bit so the garage door wouldn't curve right over your head every time you open it. It would go straight up, which what I needed. So I bought the electric cable hoist from Princess Auto, and here I'm just jumping into the truck and driving all the way there to pick it up. A regular garage door opener would cost around $300 if you want to get something decent. So this winch is only $135. And there was a cheaper ones, but those works on 12 volts, and I needed something that I can just plug into the electrical outlet. So here I am finding it in Princess Auto, bring it up. There's not much stuff in it, like this metal bracket and some bolts, which I'm not gonna use, and there also a pulley in it in the box. So I have to modify this bracket a little bit because I'm not gonna use it to support the winch. I'm gonna use this to bolt it onto on the bottom of the door right there, so I can hook my cable to it, so the winch would pull the door right from the middle. My cable gonna be outside of the door, on the outside. You can put it in the inside if you have an option. I didn't have that option, so it doesn't bother me. But that's how it has to be. So be it. And so inside I have to mount the pulley in the middle somewhere. And I just found this metal stick in a garden, and I just took it. It's perfect for me. It's some kind of as a T shape, so I'm trying to make it as level as possible, and I'm gonna mark it so I can cut some notch, a little bit of a notch in a 2x6 studs, so the metal piece would sit a little bit more flush. Yeah, I'm trying not to fall down while I'm doing it. Luckily I have my brother there, so even if I fall, at least I have someone there, so that's not a bad thing. So here I'm trying to cut a little bit of a notch in there so it would sit more flat. Now let's see how it's gonna fit. And I think I'm just gonna secure it to the studs with just regular 3-inch bolts, like wood bolts. Wood screws, actually. That's what they call wood screws. To me, it's just long enough to reach 4 studs. Even if it's only reach 2, I think it would be strong enough. Although the door is quite heavy, so I wanted to make sure that it's not gonna fall down. So I put 4 wood screws, one in each stud, and it's actually very strong. Here I have to place the pulley in the right place. I'm just making some marks. And my drill bit is not the best, but well, it did the job. Yeah, just hanging it up temporarily. This pulley came with the winch as well, so I didn't have to buy anything extra. I found everything in the house. So yeah, let's make some marks for the bracket on the bottom. Again, my drill bit is not the best. I should have used a better bit, but oh well. What's done is done. And I just have to go through the outside part. Yeah, there you go. So now I'm gonna make a like a shelf for the winch. Again, I found these 2x10s just lying around. It's all leftover scraps. It's a good thing I never throw anything away. You never know when it comes handy. When it come handy. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it to size after. I'm just holding it there with the nail gun. Yeah, another leftover piece. Perfectly fits. I'm gonna put a couple of screws in there. And now this winch is not is just gonna every time the winch gonna pull the door up is it's kind of wanna pull the hinge off of the shelf. So I have to make sure that that not gonna happen. So when I put the winch on it, I gotta bolt the winch down. I made my marks. Drill out the holes. And I also have a couple of leftover 2x4s which I will use just to secure this piece of plank there even better. Yeah, I don't need the shaft to be this long, so I'm just gonna cut it shorter. Just because, it's gonna be in the way if it's just sticking out for no reason. Just making some quick cuts. And I also want to put the garbage can under this, so I have to cut the corners off a little bit. So I would have better access to the garbage can that I'm gonna put under. There it is. So here's the leftover 2x4s. I'm gonna put this there so it would stop the shaft, the plank, to move up with the winch every time he's try to opening the door. Just some extra security for a peace of mind. Made me feel better. I'm not sure if it's necessary or not. Yeah, so let's bolt it down. Put the bolts through some nuts and washers. So here's the cable being fed through the pulleys. I'm just putting the pulley up there, fishing it down and just bolting the metal piece, hooking the cable. It really didn't take much time. I was trying to keep it as simple as possible. Make it nice and tight. and I never have to manually open the door again. Here it is. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Leave a comment if you have any idea how to improve it, make it better or even more simpler. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.